Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and this is our very first look and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and my goodness does it look amazing. Honestly, I kind of thought the new camera module would look kind of weird, but I actually really like it. I think it looks great. The display looks as beautiful as I knew it would. You know, Samsung never disappoints when it comes to the display. Now you will notice going around the phone, there is no headphone jack coming from the S10 that had it before, which I do actually use, but these are the times that we are now living in where a lot of companies are getting rid of it. So there's really nothing that we can do. Now, just messing with it for a bit, it did run very smooth. It does have a 120 hertz display, and in order to get the screen running at 120 hertz, you do have to keep the resolution at 1080p. But I gotta say, you can't tell on camera, but this display is butter. At 120 hertz, it is beautiful. Just like the rest of the device, an absolute beast so far, but with a beautiful device like this, you do want to make sure you keep it protected, so why not check out some cases by our sponsors of this video, Subcase. Subcase is a case manufacturer that makes some great protective smartphone cases. Their award-winning Unicorn Beetle Pro and their Unicorn Beetle Style have done great in the many drop tests I've done before, so you can definitely count on these to protect your new S20 device. And I will be doing a drop test with these cases and one of the new S20 devices, so make sure you stay tuned for that in a future video. And if you'd like to join a giveaway that Subcase is having for the new Galaxy S20 Ultra, I'll leave a link down in the description below with an exclusive code that will get you 50 entries. So make sure to check out our sponsors with the links below and keep your new device protected. So huge thanks to Subcase for sponsoring this video. Now moving to the cameras, I did get to mess with those a bit, 8K video recording as well, which is awesome, but I gotta say lighting wasn't the best at the event, so it was kind of hard to really test them out. Of course, I'll be doing that when I get my own official device. Y'all know how I do. I always got to put the cameras to the test, whether it's daylight or nighttime, and you know, taking pictures as well. But that zoom, it is crazy. That's all I got to say. 100 times zoom. I can't wait to really test it out. I also got to do a little bit of gaming with the 120 hertz display, and it looks amazing. Really, really good. But like I said, this is just my first hands-on and first impressions. It's an amazing device. It will be going for $13.99, and if you want to pre-order, use my link that I have down in the description below. I'm definitely going to have tons more content coming, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of those future videos to come. Let me know what you think so far and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.